How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys the best VPNs with Indian servers so that you can get yourself an Indian IP address. So we've got ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, and Surfshark. After having tested over a couple of dozen VPNs, I've narrowed it down to these three as the best with Indian servers. Let's go ahead and just demonstrate very quickly. As you can tell, I was just connected to the Chicago server, which is why it says that I am in Chicago. But if I go ahead and just look up the VPN locations right here, specifically India, I'll connect to the VPN server right here with ExpressVPN, the Indian server. And the moment I'm connected, if I want to double check, I'll just go to my IP finder, refresh, and it'll show that I am in India. And that's how you can get yourself an Indian IP address. These VPNs will all vary in budgets and features, so pick and choose depending on your situation and what you're looking for out of your VPN and your own budget and preferences, of course. But just to show you guys, of course, they all have Indian servers. Since I've already demonstrated with ExpressVPN, just want to show you guys very quickly that they do have Indian servers. Whether you're going for Express, CyberGhost, or Surfshark, you'll be able to secure your devices, stream Indian TV shows, and unblock streaming services that are exclusive to India. And of course, you'll be able to encrypt your traffic and download files safely and anonymously. Now, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And of course, they're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive these VPNs for 30 days risk-free. Otherwise, you can simply get yourself the refund if you're not satisfied for whatever reason. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.